Phil's Science Lab, sponsored by ESB's Generation Tomorrow programme, supporting initiatives that help young people develop key skills in science, technology, engineering, arts and maths.
Now, we're getting colourful this morning with the help of our science guy, Phil Smith, and today we're exploring the secret power of red cabbage.
Yes,
fella. Good morning, Phil. I don't like red cabbage, but you assure me I'm not going to have to eat it. What are we doing?
Well, unless we get to everything wrong, and that's our punishment.
That's right.
Red cabbage is, I know this is going to sound weird, but it is amazing. Convince
Explain
you?
further.
Okay.
Explain further.
It's what's called you can use it as a universal indicator. So it has a chemical in it called flavin, which is an antocyan, which actually gives an indication of pH, which is a measure of something, how acidic or how basic something is from there. So what I did last night is I peeled these leaves off a cabbage, I put them in a pot and I boiled them down and I put it with water and I created this. So you have one there yourself, you'll see.
So this is cabbage juice.
This is basically cabbage juice, just so basically leaves and water and then heating up. The first thing I want you to do, and if we could get on the smell, is choice. It's like everybody in this room farted at the one time when we bottled it.
Okay. That has happened before.
True, and it was awful. I'd like you to add just a little bit to the glass of water that you have.
Just a drop?
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's
That's
a cool
perfect.
colour, though.
It is nice, and you'll see the purple. So it's a beautiful purpley colour. So this is just water and that indicator, and you should have some lime juice in front of you. And all I want you to do is to add a few drops, and it should, based on the chemical that's in it, change colour to represent the pH of it. The lime juice should be slightly acidic. So by putting a bit in and you stop, you see that it goes to this nice pinky colour. So
lime juice is acidic.
Acidic, yes.
Obviously.
So you see that now, and also you have a tablet there, which actually has an effervescent tablet. Will give off carbon dioxide.
Alka-Seltzer, know about them.
Yeah, exactly. Helping you in the morning. Carbon dioxide is acidic as well, but if you pop it in, it'll change the pH again. So when you pop this in, it should start fizzing, and because of the reaction happening, you'll see a change in the pH, which means you should see a change in the colour as well. So if I put them side by side, you'll see that there is a difference. So even though they're both acidic, you're seeing that levels.
Yeah, and that's the cabbage, the magic of the cabbage.
The magic cabbage, yeah, I know. You're saying that reluctantly, Tommy. This is the magic of cabbage.
That is measuring the pH levels, the acidic levels or otherwise.
Acidic and basic. And basically what acids are they're like they give away protons, which is like an ion, or what you want is of hydrogen. But it's
and that's why they dig into stuff. They eat stuff, don't they? Acids,
so they're willing to give away electrons, so they react with stuff, so we want to eat away. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test various substances to see if they're acidic or basic. Really simple stuff that you could do at home yourself. All you need is a cabbage, and a boiling butter. So if you have
that red cabbage at the bottom of the fridge that nobody wants to eat,
and just add it to one of your glasses there, so you'll see it there. Okay. You'll have. So again, that nice purpley colour.
Okay.
So you'll see it starts off as the same kind of thing. And what I would like you to do is that you have some kind of detergent. So if you add a spoon of that in and give it a bit of a stir.
And it's going green. And that means that it's
basic.
Basic, right? So if it goes pinky purpley, it's an acid.
Pinky purpley, it's an acid. So you'll see a layer. So like the same way in a spectrum of anything else you see. So if I add lemon juice to this, then you'll see that this goes red. And
what if I add lemon juice to this?
So you're going to change, if you do that to that, that's like, you'll change the pH and you will then change the colour again to be something else. So you see the way it's now, it's changing colour again to be lighter, but because that is so basic in comparison,
so I need
you have to add, of course, I mean, like the rainbow.
Look. You've got the hang of this.
I mean, well, this is
I'm actually a scientist.
You are. Well, the thing is, we all are. It's just
we've got a few more to do as well.
We do. So we're going to try out. So let's try another one then. This time I'll add some of this. So
you put a straw in that, Alan would probably drink it, in fairness.
Well, I mean, it does look. It's effectively, kids will love this because you're mixing and making and trying and you're pouring. You can pour a good bit into that.
Pour the cabbage water directly in.
Yeah, that's enough, I'd say. And now if you add the Sprite into that.
This is Sprite. So this is a lemon and lime. So I'm going to guess that this is acidic because lemon and lime.
Well, that's what you think. Yeah, we're going to try this. So see what happens to yours. What colour are you going to get? Keep going. Pour, 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 pour. Nice. Different red colour that you'll see. And then if I add baking soda into this one and give it a bit of a mix, you'll see this kind of pinky purple. So you're getting this kind of spectrum of different colours. And this is the layers or different levels.
Right.
Just like tiramisu has different layers, this has different layers of pH.
So that's acidic then.
Acidic again. So you've got lemon and lime, which matches in with what
I know this is vinegar is definitely going to be acidic, right?
Okay, well, yeah, definitely try it out and see. It's this layers, but you're seeing different colours as we go along, which produces this spectrum, which is quite nice to then lay out.
This is going to be, I'd say, stronger than the lemon and lime, obviously.
Okay, go on, blow my mind. Blow my mind. Keep going, keep going, keep going. So see the darkness of the colour. So if you put these compared beside each other, you'll see the different layers of what's happening there. And the same stage with where I have this one. Now, this is a cleaning product. So basically for cleaning floor cleaner, by adding then some of this into this, you're going to see it go green initially, but you get that colour change and it's going to go into that yellowy, browny, golden kind of colour as it mixes up.
And what's happening there, this is something kids do, isn't it? They just mix things and make different colours.
And you can have them playing, and like I said, it's very safe.
It's all about the acid and base reaction.
Acid-base stuff, so it's the layers, the amount of ions that they have in it.
I will never look on a red cabbage so scornfully again.
Why would you ever look at something like that? And you don't have to eat it at the end, which is even the better.
Have a smell of that.
No, it's pretty rank.
Phil, brilliant stuff, as always. Now, if you're worried about getting back to work or going to the shops, or even as we were mentioning earlier in the show, using public transport, we'll be getting advice on how to manage your post-lockdown anxiety. And we'll find out more about the new healthy eating guidelines for 1 to 5-year-olds as well. That's all coming up after 9. Take a break now. See you in 3 minutes.
Phil's Science Lab, sponsored by ESB's Generation Tomorrow programme, supporting initiatives that help young people develop key skills in science, technology, engineering, arts and maths.